Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? I lost my voice, but it is still time to take this off again. Look at how cute this little guy is. He's painting on my face, but not for much longer, cause we gotta take it off. Yeah. Can't forget the little clips in my hair. Ooh, wait. Oh, they're stuck. The lashes, and then of course the contacts. If I can take them off. Hello. The print from the hair clips. Speaking of prints, it's time for a makeup print. Just for a time reference, it's 1:30 a.m. right now, so my voice is going out so fast. I have no expectations for this print. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, I think this is fine. Oh, yum. Oh, wait, this is my I'm shook. I like this one a lot. Nonetheless, here is the nightmare fuel. It's not super nightmare-y, but I hope you guys are scared a little bit because this is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go shower. Can we all please cross our fingers that I'm gonna get my voice back soon-ish? Oh, the paint is in my eye. Okay. Love you guys. Mwah. I think this look healed something so deep inside of me that I wasn't aware of. Now I'm emotionally attached to this makeup now, and I don't want to take it off. And you guys know that this could only mean one thing, which is a makeup print. Love how it looks with the filter, but I'm gonna take it off. Also gonna take the hat off, the lash off, and the contact out. Come on. There she goes. I actually had this look on for quite some time just because I couldn't bring myself to part ways with it. And I mean, you can see the damage. It's not as perfect as it was when I first applied it, but that's normal. Every time I need to remove my makeup, the "I can't take it off" sound plays in my head on repeat. I can't take it off. Take it off. Okay. I'm so scared. I want it to look good. Please look good. Please look good. Please look good. Okay, wait. There's a wrinkle on this side. I didn't feel it. It definitely looks better on my face than it does on the makeup wipe, but you win some, you lose some. At least I have something to remember this by. And of course, we need the nightmare fuel. I got paint on my mouth. Okay. And now I'm gonna go wash my face and maybe take a bath. I haven't taken a bath in a while. Mwah! Love you guys. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day, and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. I don't know why, but taking latex off of my neck always hurts more than my face. There we go. It wasn't too bad. Now the face. It's dangerously close to my hair, but it's not in my hair. I don't know how that happened. Nice. There's a little piece by my eyebrow. Yeah. Can't forget the lashes. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower. Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. Well, hello there. You already know what time it is, and it's time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. Ah! That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This took way longer than I expected, and I kind of don't want to take it off, but I have to. I think I start here. Oh my God, I didn't know it was all one piece now. I usually throw the prosthetics out after I use them, but this is kind of cute. I'ma save it. Now I gotta take the rest of this off. This is nightmare fuel right here. Alright, I'm pretty much done, but I ran out of contact solution and I don't know whether I should go to Target like this or leave my contacts dry for 15 minutes. Help. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. It's time to take this makeup off, and I was debating whether I wanted to do a makeup print, and I kind of didn't want to because I've been feeling lazy, but then I thought about it and I was like, no, I should. What if it turns out good? You know the drill, I'm taking my lashes off. Why did I say it like that? Getting out the makeup wipe. Spraying my face with a little bit of water. I don't know why I feel the need to narrate everything I'm doing, like you can literally see that I'm spraying my face with water. Anyways, let's do the print. Scary, off center. Okay, I think it should be printed. Oh, the moment of truth. Look at that, it actually turned out kind of cute. I don't mind this. I'm not that mad at this. Of course, we need the makeup fuel. Makeup fuel? I didn't even say that right. What's happening to my Okay, well, my brain has officially shut off, so I'm gonna go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa.
fille étrange. Que veut dire dans ce rire et ces douleurs? Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, mon bel ange. Ce mystère attire-toi tous les amants. Malgré moi, mon aimerait toi, ça retombe. Il a des soirs de tant de choses après mon cœur. Et ce moment, quand tu parles.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally, how does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There you go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers and it's really late and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero. Like, this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying. Yeah. Let's do the next 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again, and this is gonna be a speed run. Ew. I have to be on a Zoom call in exactly 30 minutes, and it usually takes me well longer than 30 minutes to wash all of this off, so... You can feel the panic settling in. Everything's going on the floor. I'm gonna have to just clean it up later. Whoop. Gotta do the contacts. Maybe I should have washed my hands before doing this. Come on. There you go. Oop. The lights are pissing me off. Let me turn them off. Ooh, there's a spoiler in the back. Okay, I want to do a makeup print. I think I have time. I hope. This is just gonna have to be a really quick one. I don't have time. I'm taking it off. Okay, that's solid. That's not bad at all. That's a makeup print. Let's go. Let's go, brothers. We're so up. I would never leave you guys without the nightmare fuel. I really can't show up to a Zoom call looking like this, so I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, it is now 12:55, so I'm gonna go hop on that Zoom meeting. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I got a brand new white sheet dirty for this look, and I don't know if it was even worth it. I also can't see anything, and I'm dropping things. Let's start by taking the contacts out so that I could see again. I'm definitely getting paint in my eyes and on the contacts, but that's fine. That's a later me problem. You guys, I think I messed up. My hair is frozen solid. Listen. Is that normal? That's not normal. Is it gonna wash out? Like, that's a later me problem. There's really not much to take off here, but I'm thinking I want to do a makeup print. I clearly can't speak when I'm doing the makeup print, so instead I'm gonna sing you guys a song to keep you occupied. Ready? Doobie 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 berry. Oh, that sucks. Where's anything? I guess it makes sense. I did paint my face white, didn't I? I don't like this. That's a bad one. Let's at least get the nightmare fuel. Why do I always do this? Okay, I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Guys, let's hope that I can get this out of my hair. This took me an hour, but I am mostly clean.